It's me again, Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, hoping the camera doesn't shut off because I just did part one and I'm not done playing, and I don't think I'm going to do anything that makes any sense to anybody, but I'm just going to add colors that I like in between the rows, and hopefully at some point in time I will have something that I appreciate, because I'm not fully appreciating what I have now for all the love bugs I've got. But I think if I add colors, maybe another color there too. Actually, I think I'm just going to do whatever I want, which is adding colors everywhere and anywhere with my squeeze bottles, because I can. Because I think that'll be a lot more interesting than what I have now, which was meant to be more interesting than it turned out. For sure, if that makes any sense. And whatever I do, I expect it to be pretty quick, because otherwise the love bugs get me. And I think I could use a whole lot of that and be very happy. Nice even squeeze. I want some darker blue. Don't mind if there's double strands. I don't mind much of anything right now. I might even go over what's there. It's frustrating enough so I could even swipe, but I don't think that's going to happen. Let's go back to some white. I would like the line to be continuous. So we'll just decide to fake that one out, shall we? What else? I could definitely just dip a swipe card in there and be pretty happy right about now. The last time I made a painting that I didn't think I was going to like, and it took me 3 parts, everybody seemed to be pretty happy with the end result, and so was I, actually. So, paint is drying pretty quickly today, and no more love bugs are landing in my artwork. Somebody knock on some wood pretty quick, please. And as much as I didn't mind the weaving part of this, it definitely wasn't. Oh, really? Okay, fine. Be that way. It's on me again. I started today with a face full, because I shook a bottle of white paint and it didn't have a top on it, and I didn't realize it because it was one of the large ones that I'd reused from Artist Loft. Yes, I see you. Maybe dots should come in here. Let's do that. Let's try and fix that right now. Still have a dish of paint that I'd like to use, but I can always pour a half escape. Where's my, if I put the white in the center, will I be unhappy about it later? You got to give it a little bit of a squeeze. That's better. I'm not unhappy with that. I have mostly a steady hand. It occurs to me I did do this to another Chevron painting, or I did it to another painting and it turned into more of a Chevron. Kind of want my blue back again. I really have no intention of stopping until I'm pleased with what I've got. I did not pull out much of that green gold. And I like it. I think I have some more pink here. I'm almost done. So I should tell you guys what I told you before. Oh yeah, no, I like that. Which is, please give me a thumbs up. We don't know if it makes any difference anymore, but I really would appreciate it. And it used to tell the YouTube algorithm where to put my how well to place my videos based on people liking me. If you watch the videos longer, that used to make a difference. Advertising is going to be changing a lot at YouTube, and everything's got everything to do with kids watching. So hi kids! Tell Grandma and Grandpa and Mom and Dad to talk to your senator about what's going on with the FCC and the YouTube regulations that are making YouTube creators like me have a problem being able to make a living there, because this is what I want to do. And you can help. I'm not sure how. You can't ask me how, because I can't really tell you. But I'm pretty sure if you contact your senator, you won't be the only one. I'm going to do it as soon as I figure out how. I'm actually getting really, really super happy with that. And it's not very logical. Kind of want some copper in there. Get off of me! Yep, I like the copper. I don't like that lump. Has to come right out of the cap. I like the copper a lot. Where else? With that orange. I kind of want to stick stuff in there, but I think it's going to be better to not. He said knowing. Oh no. Really? Okay. One super wide stripe. Nothing at all I can do about that. Just squeezed right out. Oh well. Let's do it over here. Where the other purple stripe is. And figure out if there's another color we want to do that. Hey, that's kind of even at least. I think we're going to take some of this. I was thinking that would be one. I think that's going to be one. Drop it right in. Move it over. Maybe do that a few more times, a few more places. Yes, whole new technique. Only do it to colors you think will work. Just use the skewer as a tool. Dipped in the paint. Or drag through. I really want some more of that purple. And being that it went down in a ribbon, surprise, surprise adjustments. I know I want some blue, and I want it from this blue. I want some lighter blue actually before I'm out of here. I've got turquoise too. Ooh, baby. All right. Well, this was a total surprise. And I like that. And that. And that. And I'm going back in here. Neat. Almost done, I think. We'll see. I kind of want to go for this. I never ever use the neon pink straight. I don't even know if it'll stay, to tell you the truth. I'm just going to keep going ever since that accident. I'm inspired now. It's okay, I really didn't like what I was getting before anyway. I think maybe some white right down the center of that purple. Either that, why don't we remove that thing that's in there first. If I can. Goodbye thing. There. It's not what I was expecting, but that's okay. I use GAC 800 in all of my paint mixes, and that usually prevents cracking from occurring. I am. Now I'm just going to town, picking colors I like. Not minding what shows through behind. I want some white right there. Because I can. That is so cool. That is the reaction I prefer from myself, to tell you the truth. That looks like a bubble. Yes, it is. Prefer if the wind does not pick up and end my stripe. But at this point, there's no exactness anymore. Oh, please come out. Yeah, alright, fine, be that way. I want some yellow in there, and then or yellow-orange, yep. It's looking a lot like time to move some bottles out of the way and call this good pretty quick. There. It's not what I expected. It's probably not what you expected, but you know what? I'm glad I started the camera again. And I could probably just run part 2, which is actually probably more like part 4. And I said I wouldn't torch, but I'm going to anyway. Where's the torch? I don't want any bubbles in there. And I don't mind if the patterns aren't perfect. And I'm really happy that I keep a lot of colors around. And I can see a few little bubbles popping. And I'm really tempted to make that line right there go all the way up. And you know what else? Yep, I'm going to do it again. Cool. Alright, do I see anywhere else I need? Yeah, maybe one more place. I'm not sure there's any room for anything else. I'll make some room. I've got this one last spot right there that's just crying for me to add my favorite pink. I like the design behind. Whoa! Wow. I finally ran out of gas. I used propane because it lasts forever, and it was like 6 months old. I finally ran out, and I'm not used to the massive amount of propane. I will bet you this sells. And if it doesn't, I get to keep it, and that's okay too. I still have something else I want to hear. I like the colors showing through from behind. But not as much as covering them up. There are worse ways to waste paint. I can think of many. I'm extremely happy. I don't think I set the timer. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio thinking, I'm probably going to run out of time in a second, and I should tell you guys, if you wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up, that would be a vast assistance. The longer you watch your video, it's a huge assistance. If you watch the commercials, I might make a paycheck, you never know. There are over 840 videos organized by hundreds and by topic on the end screens. Ooh, I want to scrape that off and put it in my paint dish. It's so pretty. I love you guys. There's over 80,000 of you. Thank you for the contributions in the past. There's a drawing every month for somebody who contributes to keep the studio rolling, more than $10. I did say I love you guys, but I love you guys. And binge watch some videos. I love the little black lines behind. This is the best they've looked since I made the painting the first time. Alright, you guys. I'm sure that I'm not telling you everything. There's Facebook pages for students and for fans and collectors, and I've mentioned them before, and if you want to know about them, just go ahead and go to my channel header. If you're looking for a way to donate, look for PayPal or Patreon. I just want to stick the skewer in and roll it sideways all over the place, but that was actually way more fun than anything else I did to this, so I love you guys. I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Priscilla out. Wow, that's awesome. Bye!